In this video, we're going to learn how to make a payment to the IRS. Now, there's two ways that you can make a payment. One is a direct payment to the IRS without an online account. And the second is by setting up an online account with the IRS, which we go through in a different video. And the benefit to that is that you're able to track your payments and have one place to go to see all your historical data with the IRS. Either way, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to www.irs.gov/payment. From there, you're going to see a screen that looks just like this. To use an account with the IRS and track it, you'll say go to your account, sign in, and then you'll make the payment the same way. All right, but we're going to do this without an account, and we're going to hit this Pay Now with Direct Pay. We're going to make a payment, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the reason for payment. Now, the reason for payment, if you have taxes that are owed by April 15th, then your reason for payment is going to be balance due. Now, if you're making estimated payments or quarterly payments throughout the year, you can use this platform to make an estimated tax payment. Now, if you're making estimated taxes, then we would recommend that you set up an online account with the IRS. But for the purpose of today's video, we're just going to be paying the balance due by April 15th. You're going to pick the type of tax return, which for the vast majority is going to be income tax form 1040, and then the tax year, which the year this year is 2023, but it applies for any year that you're making a balance due payment for. We're going to hit this continue button. From there, you're going to go in and pick the tax year for verification. So let's just say, let's use 2022's tax year. Then you're going to input the filing status that you chose for that year. And then you're going to input your first, last name, your social security number, your date of birth, your residence, and then your street address. And so I'm going to go through, fill in these, and then we'll get back to you when we get to the next screen. So once you get to this screen, this is where you're going to put in the amount that is due come April 15th. So let's say it's $5,000. Payment date. This is where you can pick any day. Most people will just pick the next date. But let's say you wanted to wait right up until the deadline, and let's say you wanted to pay April 12th. That's when it's going to come out of the bank account that you're going to list next. So you're going to list the routing number, the account number, whether it's a checking or savings, and then we just recommend that you get an email notification, an email confirmation that the payment's been done. You'll hit continue, you'll review it, and then you'll submit it. And then you will have officially paid your federal income tax bill.